How to fix incorrect password on Instagram. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. If it's showing incorrect password, simply type in the password and make sure you click on the I like option to see your password. Even after that, it does not fix, click on Forgot Password at the bottom. Then simply add in your email or username of that account and press on continue. After you have done that, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on continue again. After that, verification code will be sent to your mail. Simply enter the code and you'll be directly logged into that account. Or you can do is click on try another way and you'll find these options: get code via Instagram notifications on devices where you're logged in, or if your contact phone number is added, you can also get the code in your phone number. And this is how to fix incorrect password on Instagram problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.